Now we are on part 2. I am continue from the remaining ones only. So we were talking about karma. Here if you could see, because of the camera focus, they have beautifully even pasted the various kinds of fishes, and they are so beautiful. Look at it, the wonder. It is alligator gar. It's having a weight up to 160 kg. Probably it is because too much focus is there. You can't see it well. Okay. What a wonderful it is to see. Let's go ahead. So swift, so swift. It's moving here and there. She feels like her home. Moving here and there swiftly. And this steady one. Even we can't imagine whether it's living or not, but you can definitely see it from its gill. The gills is working. It's a living one. Gills is working. You can see it, its gills. So let's go ahead. Various other posters as well. And wonderful. Wow. Let's go ahead, moving fast, showing you fish. It's called camouflage ability. Even you can't see them properly if you are new to it. Let's go ahead. Shining one. Very, very well. One thing I have noticed here, the management is so good. The people who is representing them are so cooperative. Purple color fish. Orange color fish. And they are on their official dress. They tell you the description of it. They tell you where it is available and so and so forth. See, they are standing here. I won't be speaking anything there because it feels that I am disturbing. Okay, you can see it. You can see it. It's like a small shark, you know. What a wonderful it is. When I have captured them, they are moving ahead. I will also move with them like a tiger shark. Okay, then let's move ahead. Small, small, little ones. Yeah. Wow. The most important thing which I got attracted by this is golden fish. Just look at it well. No much movement here and there like other fishes. So silent, so calm. And according to Vastu Shastra also, it's very wonderful to have it if you have aquarium. How many are there? Even I cannot count. Probably 200. What a great one. See, seeing from mobile and coming here to see physically has a vast difference. But this is just for your one kind of facility, and even for the sake of my benefit I am taking this video so that I can also show it to my family members as well, those who have not come with me. But it's a wonderful place to come. The ticket of this is just 200 rupees, entry ticket you have to compulsory take if you come inside the Science City, that is just 50 rupees. Here cash, mind well, please understand, cash is not accepted. I have asked them why you don't take cash, but they haven't replied me at all. So what I have felt is they are taking Google Pay, ATM card, and most of the internet banking transaction. Uh, what do you say, apps? Okay, so this is a long one. Like it. These are silver fishes. Let's move ahead. Hello. The most wonderful thing which I like it here is this kaipu. Hope I can find them. No, they have gone. Ah, they are there. They are there. If you could look at it, black and white, somewhere they are there. The biggest one has gone inside to his home, and this one so steady, huh? Even we can't stand so steadily for 2 minutes. Great thing. So we have now came out after see, you can see it wonder here. All the fishes which we have seen in single color have been tagged on the wall, on the ceiling. See how it is looking. I am just slowly passing. How different it feels you. It feels you that it's everything is value for money. We have came out here, a big projector screen is going on. Here also there is a big projector screen. There also you can find, say, aquatic gallery. It is written here. And if you go ahead, this is the thing which Yashika loves a lot. See, you have to make a fish. Okay, Yashika, you can start making your fish faster. Okay, she has selected the fish. Now she has selected the color. She has selected the pattern, and go, 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 go. Now, okay. Now we will be seeing again. See, we will be seeing again. Everything is restarted. As I have told you again, that time also. See, they have to hang up various species. Okay, over. See, this is shark and all this. How beautiful it looks when you come inside and see the thinking level of human. Great work, great infrastructure, totally 110% value for money. I am so happy to visit this. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.